Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of DC Best Ever. When it comes to doing laundry, one of the biggest challenges that everybody faces is folding the fitted sheet. And I think for that reason, a lot of people just use the same set of sheets and wash them every week so they don't have to deal with that. But I'm going to show you one way that you can do it. Hopefully this helps. Okay, so you've just taken your sheet out of the dryer. The first thing you want to do is find the corners. And once you've found the corners, just pull them apart as best as possible. This whole process is easier if you have two people, but I don't have that luxury. Alright, once you've found your corners, what you're going to do is you're going to take the first corner, flip it inside out, and then what I usually do is I put my middle finger right where that corner is, and then I bring it over to the opposite side and you match it up with that corner right there. And then once you've done that, if you pinch the corner, it will hold both corners in place. And once you've done that, you want to do that same step on the opposite side. Turn this corner inside out. Bring it over to the other side. And take your time with this. If you lose the corner, then just make sure that you don't let go of the one that's in your hand already. All right, match those corners up. Bring that over. And now try to straighten this out as best as you can. And the side that has the two corners should form a solid edge. And if you have extra slack, just bring it towards you on this side. And the end result after this step is you'll have the corners here, and then the fitted edge will continue on in the middle. So this whole side is going to be one straight line. Even though it's not perfectly straight, that's not important. And then take any extra slack that you have and push it towards this side on both sides. So you want to try to give yourself a straight edge over here too. All right. Now what you do is you grab these two corners and then fold them over to the middle so you have equal parts. So this folded side is the same width as what's left over. Now, you take the remainder and you fold that over top of that. Now, you can go ahead and fold this in half. Fold it in half again. And then fold it in half one last time. And it is not an exact science. It doesn't come out perfectly. I'm sure there is another way to do this, but this is one way to do it. This is how I've discovered that you can do it. And if you're really worried about having wrinkled sheets, then when you're ready to put it on your bed, you can iron it first. And there you have it. I know it's not perfect, but it is folded. So that's how I fold my fitted sheets when I actually do fold my fitted sheets. I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. If you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to subscribe right here. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook so you can share it with your friends. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.